Alright lads, we're up to something. We're up to something sneaky. Here's the backstory. It seems, you know, I got the new bike and slip out of the garage for 5 minutes and NOS Boss has already got some NOS ATV stickers slapped on top too, eh? And I was trying to keep all the stickers under the fender, but love the stickers, love the decals. Left them on there for a few weeks. He doesn't know I removed them, but I did. And we'll put some more on there, and I'll choose the placement right, as it should be. But so what we're getting to here is I happen to get myself a hold of one of these. Check this out, boys. Billet aluminum, etched in ATV. Isn't that nice looking? That is beauty. So there it is. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna distract him. We'll get him inside. Actually, half the reason I'm headed back there is to drop the bike off, get it ready for the next ride. We've done the maintenance and stuff, so everything's good to go. But we did both place an order for some gator waders. Check out that box, boys. She fell over on me. But yeah, so we're gonna get his first impressions of those too. Dying to get them in use, man, and I can't wait because they're awesome. Lightweight, the new summer waders. Man, oh man, these are gonna give me a lot of relief. But yeah, so we'll rope and dope them. We'll distract them with the waders. Hopefully we can get them in the house for a minute, and I'll throw that fuel cap on there, and we'll dispose of his stock cap, leaving him no option. Can't even chuck it out, boys. This should be funny. Hopefully I can somewhat sneak you guys in there and we can get his reaction. It would be awesome. Yeah, so stay tuned. Let's see what he has to say about that, eh? That's pretty cool gas cap though, eh? Awesome. And it's got the big O-ring in there, so it's going to be waterproof for sure. Seal it up real good. Stock caps are known to leak, so yeah, I'm really looking forward to seeing his face, man. What the hell, eh? So yeah, let's go pull a fast one on him, eh? Cheers.
Silver lining. Go take a listen and let us know what you think. If you give it enough stars, we're going to add it into regular rotation right here on the drive. Here's July Talk, Beck and Call.
Right on. Almost there, boys. Almost there. Coming up on Northbrook, boys. Coming up on Northbrook. We're getting close. Time is coming. This is love, the Canadian highway. Hey, look familiar, Richard? The beer store. The beer store.
Download the K-Rock app.
If I see Newman's not at the beer store, boys, it must mean he's at home, so let's go see, eh? We're almost there. Hey, lads, we're here. We're getting stealthy now. We're going to try to sneak in there. Hopefully we don't disrupt him and he's still in the house. We'll get into the shop and we'll get that cap on there. I'm going to take you with me, so don't worry. Let's see if we can't get one over on the lad, eh? Should be funny. Let's get the truck position here. Where we want to be. We want to be right out here, out of the way. The wife just took the young lad up to work, I think, to drop him off. Just passed her on the highway. She's got the truck, so. All right, so we're gonna get in there and see if our buddy isn't still in the house. I don't know. Let's see. We might be able to get this done right away. We're gonna try. Slip it right by him here. I'm gonna take you with me. I'm not even gonna turn it off. I got a feeling he's still in the house. It's early, right? So let's go see. Bring our coffee. Oh, we lost it. We lost it, boys. She slipped right out of her pocket. See, there it is, eh? Isn't that killer? Get in there. Stash her. Stash her, I say. Oh, there's the old Kodiak. She's had a whole rebuild there. She was in a bad way after one of the lads took her in a little over her head on a drunken road tour at night. Well, I wouldn't say drunken, but, well, there might have been some booze involved. Who knows? But anyway, she got sunk. She got drunk. All right, let's see. Let's see. It's open. Oh, this is perfect. This is perfect. He doesn't even know we're here, I bet, boys. Let's turn this light on here. Oh, yeah. We got other bikes here. What's going on? See, we got Collins. We got Collins. All right, let's get into it here. Make sure we're all right. Coast is clear. All's quiet. Okay. Here we go, boys. Let's do it. Oh, shit. Get down there tight. Okay. Yeah, see, he don't want water getting in there either. Come on, baby. You just put yourself right there. Look at that, boys. Oh, it lines up nice, too. Okay, so that goes in my pocket. Now we just wait. We wait, we see. So I'm going to try to get you... If I see him going towards her or checking her out, I'll try to get the camera on. We'll do what we can. She's in place. Right on. It actually looks really cool, too. Eh? One more shot of it. Try not to get caught here, busted. See what you're seeing. Oh, yeah, we did. Yeah, we did. Every single time we go for a rip, boys, first thing he's got to do, oh, I need gas. So we got to always go down to the damn gas station. I'm so sick of filming it. You guys have seen it a dozen times, but I'll tell you, if we go for a rip and he doesn't see it till then, that's going to be hilarious. But yeah, this is what he did. He stuck his red NOS stickers on my bike. Same placement. Looks real good, real sharp. But yeah, I'm out of the garage for 5 minutes. I come back and I got these decals on my bike, which is fine. Love them. Love representing. But hey, this will be fun. All right, we'll see you in a bit. God, this should be fun. Boys, look at that. We're at NOS Boss's garage. We got a little Bailey's and the NASA coffee. Straight from space, boys. Oh yeah, that's gonna fix me up. Yeah. Yeah, I picked this up for you, buddy.
What is that? Oh, where the fuck did you go, Dirty? Isn't that cool?
Isn't it? So
Yeah,
what I
you're going to
figured,
dub out that fucking...
what I thought,
Where did you go, Dirty?
what I was thinking is we could customize it.
Mm-hmm.
What if we took one of your stickers or the N or NOS, lay it out,
Where'd you get this from?
and then spray paint
Nice.
with the yellow that you got, and then remove the sticker, and you got NOS, NOS in black or something like that.
You'd almost,
I
you
don't
want to do
know.
the word in yellow, huh?
You think the word in yellow and leave the shifter
I
black?
think so, because it's such a nice job on the shifter. And if something wears out, it'll just be the word. Who gives a f***, then you can redo it.
That's not a bad idea.
Because that just kind of feels nice, eh?
I figured you might like that.
That's just we're going to town with.
That's what I'm saying.
Hey,
Eh?
hey, man.
That'll look alright. Actually, what I find is it is nice to grab onto the cockpit.
It is nice, isn't it? Where'd you
Yeah.
get that?
Well, somebody had it, and I said, hey, what are you doing with that? Well, nothing now. All right, well, I'd like to take that off your hands.
Free charger, really, is some cash.
No, you don't owe me fuck all. Call it a gift, buddy.
Really?
Yeah, fuck yeah.
Holy.
I know they're not cheap, though. She's the solid billet. She's nice. I ain't gonna lie. I got the short one, the
Yeah.
two-pronger. This one does feel a little better.
Yeah,
Just a little more meat.
yeah.
Now, you won't have an issue with not having a riser, right? No. No, fuck no. There's tons and tons and tons
Don't
of
worry,
room
there's going to
there.
be a riser on there at some point anyway.
Right. And we just gotta get you a custom gas cap and your...
You sit here like this.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that'll look mint, boys.
It won't get away, it can't.
We'll replace that cap for you soon here.
Oh, look at that. What the fuck is that?
Holy fuck. You shouldn't have, buddy.
Well, you know what, buddy?
That's nice of you to do that.
Always thinking about you.
Hey?
Hey? I like to promote my buddies. Hey? I don't have to be NOS ATVs. I already got a sticker on here.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's funny.
Yeah. That's from fucking Original Mods.
Really, eh?
Uh-huh. You did a good job. Very nice. Actually, he did. Look at the leaf on it. Check out the leaf on it. Wow. How do you get that small in detail?
Yeah, I did a good job on it, didn't
How do you
I?
get that detailed on the leaf, boys?
Mhm.
Ridiculous.
It's
But
like
yeah.
it's like a metallic silver, isn't it?
Yeah, I guess so, eh? Powder coat in there?
Yeah.
Mm.
Very nice.
It's got the big O-ring, Keith.
Mm-hmm. Isn't that wild, eh? Isn't that wild?
Yeah. Well, you're pretty much fucked because I don't know where your stock one went.
There's one right there on that red machine beside me. There's one.
Oh, yeah, there is one. Let's get rid of that too then, eh? Isn't that cool?
Yeah, that's pretty neat.
Fucking alright, eh? Yeah, well,
Yeah, they do.
whatever. Until you get a NOS ATVs one, man, and then we'll take that one back and give it away. Or
No
something.
shit, eh?
Eh?
No shit.
Yeah, buddy.
For sure.
So, check these out. Ooh.
Oh, look at this.
Yeah,
Look
that's my carry bag.
at that. Very big.
Yeah, yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah, buddy.
Oh, look at them stickers, man.
They're nice ones.
They are nice.
There's 2 for me in there, still 2. I haven't taken them out.
Your shirt looks like. Let's take a look at that.
Oh, yeah, I'm wearing mine.
You got it on?
Yeah, I do.
Friggin' right you
Yeah, that's pretty sweet. They got a kick-ass logo.
do. They do.
They
That looks pretty
really
killer.
do, buddy.
Gator waders.
Yeah,
Can't really
man.
wait to try these out.
Yeah,
For sure.
yeah. I was all in a panic when I opened them up because I put them on and I'm like, there's no belt. There's no belt.
is it separate?
It needs the belt to have it to make it fitted kind of feeling, right?
Yeah.
Well, I put my hands in the pockets and
There's a belt.
there's a belt.
Nice little carry bag. Look at
Yeah, man. Yeah, you do. Yeah, the carry bag's kind of a bonus, eh?
that. Yeah, it
Whatever,
is.
right?
Geez, they ever feel like ridiculously like
Yeah.
Already you can tell. Look at that.
Yeah, those boots, when you put them on, you're just like, holy crap.
Look at that style.
Man.
Man, that looks killer, eh?
Yeah, they do.
Swamp series.
Swamp series,
Yeah.
boys. We're ready for the spring.
Very nice.
Actually, they are. They are kick-ass.
They are soft.
They're super soft, so I don't know about the boots, how long they're going to last on the foot pegs, but we're going to find out.
We are.
Yeah, we are.
Good Lord, that's an 11. Let's hope the toes can squish.
I
it
had
down.
room. I had room in mine at an 11, but I know your feet probably are just a little bit bigger than mine.
Well, you know, we'll see, won't we? If you actually go back to the heel, because it looks like the heel's a little further. Well, she might be tight, but we'll see. Hopefully not.
Hopefully not. Hopefully they're good.
We're gonna find out here shortly.
Yeah, for sure you're going to want them. We'll be back, boys. We're going to enjoy some of this Bailey's. Yeah.
Pits, boys.
That means we go deeper. We go deeper now, boys.
The bikes need snorkel.
They actually cross over.
They need store.
You already had it crossed over. It's all good.
You know, that's
Yeah.
the thing about it.
They cross at the back. Oh, Jesus, man. They're actually a good fit.
And there's what we want.
Patch kit.
Little patch kit, just in case.
Yep. And there is a loop at the back. One loop at your tailbone to throw it through.
It means
Yeah. Actually, yeah, once you add that belt, it gives it a more fitted look.
it gives it a better look. Yeah, for sure. It's necessary. Keep it tight. It's kind of nice too.
Not too shabby yet.
Not
Oh,
too bad.
there. Wife approval right there, boys.
Wait.
Aren't they light?
You could almost wear these as pajamas.
I know.
fellas.
I was just going to wear them in the truck on the way here.
Don't even need to take them off.
Yeah, they really do. They're awesome, man.
They are